Luke mentioned it.
Yep.
Trade-offs. So I did a pilot in 2024, 10 years ago, and started a full-service company within one of our laundromats. And we offered over-the-counter service, wash, dry, fold. We offered pickup and delivery, which included dry cleaning. And a year later, I burned all of my bags, and I told my staff that was in the laundromat, I'm going to put you at a different store. We are not doing this anymore, because I ended up pulling all my hair out. It was a lot of fun, but it was a lot of work. And at that time, I was managing several stores in the Triangle area of North Carolina, and I realized I could spend my time trying to perfect this model or continuing to grow this self-service model, which our dad had gotten fully into about 20 years ago when he sold all of his dry cleaners. So you have to come to the realization that you cannot do or be everything to everyone all the time. So choose who it is that you're going to serve. Set up a business model that serves them well.